What the fuck is up? It is 1:20 a.m. on Tuesday. We're about to hop into these charts. Bet. Now, what do we got on AJ? A motherfucking J. We got ourselves a little bit of bearish activity as we had expected from our weekly chart. I hopped in a trade, a sell down to this 79.3 zone from the top. Yeah, from the bottom of the 79.88 zone, I hopped in a sell down to the 79.3. But I fucked up by putting my stop loss at the motherfucking at the 80 mark. I had my stop at the 80 mark and I just barely got wicked out. And I mean, I still expect price to go in my direction, so I'm not tripping at all. I just know that it's too late to hop back in this trade. But one thing of note is that this trend line, this upward trend line is really standing out to me. I'm gonna see how it holds up over the next, what, how many hours? Till 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock p.m. I'm gonna see how it holds up over the next 13 and a half hours. And one thing of note relating to that is that we have not made a lower low. And if you check the weekly chart, we're making a double bottom. We can count this as a W, a double bottom at our 2-year low. Like I mentioned earlier, we have not come this low in price since November 2016. So we're at our 2-year low. It looks like we're getting a bit of a double bottom. So we might end the week down here around the 79 zone, but that's not for me to say. As it is, I don't mind being stopped out of that sell that I hopped in because it looks like we're going bullish long term. So I'm gonna just let price retest the 79.3 and I'm gonna start looking for buys once we get there. With proper risk management and everything glorious. Yeah, if we retest this, I'm gonna enter a sell for right here, the 80.3, and I wanna have another one. A long-term goal would be the 82.2, but we'll just play it by ear. And as for USDCAD goes, we got, I'm currently in a sell. I'm in a buy up to the 1.3111. Want to know why? Because we are at a nice little rejection level. Where we at? Based on last week's movement of price, we are just above the 61.8 rejection level. So what I'm expecting is a retest of this trend line and the 61.8. And then we can look for price to continue its way upward, making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, another higher high up here. So let me draw this on. I don't have the exact coordinates of where I entered, but that's cool, that's cool. One point three one 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 one. Then 1.252 2952. Is that it? Is that our stop? Yeah, the 1.2952 as our stop. Excuse me. I'm gonna just let this trade run out. I'm gonna let it do its thing. No need to touch it or anything like that, but I like the way this trade's looking. I'm gonna check in tomorrow. We'll see what's Gucci. We'll see how price played. But yeah, till then, y'all stay humble, glorious, and beautiful. I love y'all almost as much as I love myself. Thanks for watching. This was the Daily Candle. Peace.